What if I told you the future of compact SUVs is already here? We're talking about a car that blends sleek design with cutting-edge tech, a vehicle that feels as at home on city streets as it does on a winding road. Get ready, because today we're taking an exclusive look at the brand new 2026 Mazda CX-20. And trust me, you're going to want to see this. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Mazda CX-20 takes Mazda's Kodo design philosophy and propels it into the next decade. Look at these flowing lines, the bold new grille, and those striking futuristic LED headlights. Mazda has truly outdone themselves, creating a compact SUV that's both elegant and aggressive. Notice the subtle yet impactful illuminated badging on the side, a touch that really sets it apart. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. Moving to the rear, the design continues to impress. The wraparound LED taillights create a seamless, modern look that's instantly recognizable. And yes, you can clearly see the CX-20 badging, confirming this is Mazda's exciting new venture into the compact SUV segment. The dual exhaust tips hint at the performance capabilities under the hood, promising a drive that's as exhilarating as its looks. Now, step inside, because this is where the CX-20 truly redefines the driving experience. The interior is a masterclass in minimalist luxury and advanced technology. Forget traditional dashboards. We're greeted by a panoramic, high-definition display that seamlessly integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system. The touch controls are intuitive, and the ambient lighting creates an inviting and futuristic cabin. The 2026 Mazda CX-20 is more than just a concept. It's a tantalizing glimpse into the future of automotive design and technology. With its stunning looks, advanced interior, and what promises to be an engaging driving dynamic, Mazda is clearly pushing boundaries. What do you think of the new CX-20? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.